guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia, and based on the title you already know what I'll be doing today. I'll be showing you guys how I organize my jewelry, and I'll be reviewing a jewelry organizer that I got from Amazon. Now today the setting is different. We are in my bedroom where all the magic is supposed to happen. Anyway, don't mind me. All right, so yeah, let's get into the video. So this is the organizer that I got from Amazon. I wanted a mirror, a full-length mirror, and I also wanted somewhere to put my jewelry, because when it's packed away I never remember what I have, so I don't wear it. So this is it. I have it on my closet door right now. It's ill-advised, but yeah, that's what I did, because I didn't have a wall where I could put it, where I could see myself full length. Yeah, you know what I mean. It does come with screws at the back here where you can screw it on a wall. All right, so this is the side of it, guys, and it is like a wood. It's wood, and then it has like a white wash over it, so it's very cute, very nice. And then this is the side where it actually opens. So it does have a lock and a key, which I think is really great. See, it's full length. Actually, it's almost full length, but I can see my entire self in it. Yeah, so this is where you would pull it to open it, and to open the lock, no, you would turn it up. To close it, you turn it down, right? So I'm going to open it here. All right, guys, so this is what the inside of the organizer looks like. I just wanted to give you guys a overview. So at the top here is where you would put your knobs, guys, and your hoop earrings. They have the slots here that you would slip your earrings in. And for me, I put my knobs at the top here, and then I go down into like my small hoops, gold and silver hoops, and then I have my long drop earrings here and some other long drop earrings. And then on this side now I put like my small to medium size hoop earrings. Only issue is that sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to put on the earring back. So when you put the knob through the hole, it's sometimes difficult to put on the back, because there isn't really a lot of space to fit your hand at the back. And that's the only issue that I have with the earring section. But in terms of space, it gives you a lot of space, and trust me, you have more than enough room to grow into it. All right, so going down, the next section is the section where you would put your bracelets. On one side I just have my gold bangles and bracelets, and on the other side I have my silver bangles and bracelets. All right, so now this is the bottom section where you would put your necklaces, right? So the bottom portion is it's higher than, it has more space than the top section. So I put my longer necklaces down here, and I just try to separate them. Like I put like gold on one side, silver on the other side. And then at the top now, it's a little bit shorter. So you put like, if you have chokers or if you have shorter necklaces, then you would put them at the top. It has a lot of space. If you have small necklaces, this can actually hold maybe up to 3 or 4 necklaces. So it gives you a lot of space, guys. So on the other side of the organizer, you have the place where you put your rings. And I really love this because it has a lot of space. It has space for more than 100 rings, right? And what I really love about it are the lights at the top. They are looking a little bit dim right now because the batteries need to be changed. It uses AA batteries, right? And when you put in the batteries and it's bright, it looks so good when it's illuminating your jewelry and makes everything look all fancy and cute. All right, So what I really love about this too is that the back of this is very pliable. They have like a really soft material at the back, so you can even stock your knobs in it. You do sometimes even here, that's why it's looking all stretched out. I had a pair of knobs right here. When I can't bother to put them on the other side, I just stuck them into the backing of the organizer. All right, and it's looking a little bit dusty right now because it is black and it is like black velvet, so it takes on dust. So that's why it's looking like that, but it's not dirty. All right, but the batteries do last a long time because it only comes on when you open the organizer. All right, and because of the amount of space that you have, you really have a chance to organize your jewelry. So on this side I have my silver. In here I have like my gold pieces, and over here I have like mid rings, and those rings at the top I've had for years. And at one point they were in and popping, and I just love them, and it's just very hard for me to get rid of them. So moving on from the rings, going down, you have some hooks right here. And as I said before, these hooks, they offer a lot of space. You can have 1 or 2 or even 3 items on each hook. And I just have some extra large hoops right here and some medium-sized hoops that couldn't fit on the other side. I put them here, and you can have bracelets there because I have 2 bracelets there. And then moving on down, this is where you have a pouch. I don't know if that's what you'd call it. In this pouch right here, I just put like my sunglasses. Yes, but you can put whatever you want to put in there. And if you look at the side here, guys, I have a necklace. So you have enough space to put necklaces here instead of earrings. So moving on down, you have a couple of shelves. You have like 4 shelves. On the first shelf, I just have my rings. And these shelves are very deep, guys. They're wide enough and they're deep enough where you can actually put products, because I have seen people put like their makeup or their perfumes in here. All right, so what I do, I just keep the pillows when I buy watches or if I get them as a gift, and I just store them on the pillows. It makes it much easier. All right, so moving on to the second shelf, it is just as deep, but it is a little bit shorter than the top shelf. All right, so as I said, you can put your products here, makeup, perfumes, skincare, whatever you want to put, you can put here. But in here I just have some clips. I have like some knobs that are either too big or too small to fit on the other side through the holes, so I just put them here. So moving on to the third shelf, here I just have like I guess those are broken necklaces that I intend to get fixed. I've had them for a while and I don't know. Then here I have some extra pendants that I can change out on my necklaces. I have some earrings here, and these are some jewelry for my niece, so it's in that box. Yeah, and as you go down, guys, the shelves get shorter and shorter. All right, so maybe you could put like your perfumes here, then you could put probably like skincare and then probably makeup. You never know. This is the last shelf, and on this shelf now I just put like some jewelry boxes, and I keep these because they have sentimental values attached to them. Bottom now we have 2 small drawers, and very convenient. In this one I have like cables and USB cords and such. Oh yeah, go back here. Oh. And then in this one now I have like extra earring backs and the links that I've removed from my watches because I like my watches to be fitted. That is the overall review of the jewelry organizer. As I said, I got this from Amazon and I really love this, guys. Like, what I love about it is the space. You get a lot of space to grow into it. You have room to expand your collection. and it gives you a chance to display your jewelry and to have it accessible to you, where you can actually wear your pieces instead of having them stored up and not knowing what you have. And plus, I'm glad that it doubles as a mirror. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, and liking the videos, leaving your comments and all of that. I really do appreciate it. However, if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, you are free to go through and catch up on all that you have missed. Then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will not miss an upload from me. All right, so once again guys, thank you. It was my pleasure, and until next time, bye.